Hey, Mikey. What you doing?
I'm boosting ad revenue for our fellow bowlers.
What does that entail?
Turning the video on and just not watching.
We'd appreciate it if you actually watch the videos, but we also appreciate it if you don't watch the videos, but you have them on anyways. Good morning.
I lived it, so I don't need to watch it.
It's true. Yes, I do wear a retainer. If you have braces and you got them off, I recommend wearing a retainer. Keep them straight. Teeth are expensive. More to come. Well, I'm starving. Hungry. We just finished uploading balls for Storm. It's kind of a pain. Didn't really want to film it because 1, I guess we weren't allowed to be inside the bowling center yet, but we didn't know. 2, I don't know how I would have filmed. But anyways, we're gonna go back to the hotel, get some lunch, and then we have practice at 2 p.m. On a scale of 1 to 10, how mad are you right now?
Sean Ryan mad.
What's wrong?
There are a few establishments in this hotel that have withstood the test of time since COVID. None of those are the ones that I enjoyed. All the other ones are closed. And on top of that, I was gonna consolation prize for Panda, and they're closed.
So it's clear to me that Chris believes that pineapple belongs on pizza.
This is honestly the second time I've ever had pineapple on pizza.
Really?
Pretty good.
Did you believe in it before you tried it? Were you for or against, even though you haven't had it before?
I like to believe I'm a very open-minded individual.
Okay, I like it.
So I went in, no expectations, and I just made my assessment based on my own taste buds. I like it.
What about you, Mikey?
What?
Pineapple on pizza?
I don't mind it.
Okay. It's a no for me, boss. Let us know in the comments. Pineapple on pizza? Hell no. Well, bad news for you guys. No vlogging during the USBC events. No Masters. No US Open. Sucks! Hi. Oh, sorry. You get all the ins and outs of what we're doing when we're not bowling. Yay. Which is probably more entertaining anyways, because you guys don't want to see us bowl. Right? That's not why you come here.
That's
right.
not what this channel's about at all.
Right. Right. Well, we're about to start practice, so I guess we'll fill you in afterward. We'll tell you what balls look good, probably urethane, but we'll tell you what balls we think look good, probably urethane, and
Urethane.
probably urethane.
Well, one of them is.
Well, surprise, surprise, urethane. Weird. Probably gotta throw out every single game of the tournament. If it doesn't happen, it's either I'm bowling really bad, or I'm bowling really good. How do you feel about your experience?
It was good. I think if what I have is there for the whole week, I'll probably win.
Rematch?
I mean, I just feel like no one can get right of me if I play that far right.
Rematch?
Yeah, hopefully.
I think Chris is probably gonna make the show because he just makes all the major shows.
Yeah, I think we're all gonna get there.
Bowl DMC on the show?
This one's a little different.
I think we're all gonna get there.
Like match play, anything can happen.
Yeah, like
all three of us can make the show.
Or you two can match them in the first round.
No. There used to be a convenience store and a pizza shop right here, and it's just gone.
And a smoke shop.
And a smoke shop. Like, the building is physically gone. Not just the business, the building. Reno's changed, man. Have we been gone for that long? We won some toys, didn't we? Courtesy of K. Will.
Some might have that sweet touch.
Nice. I didn't bring the camera downstairs when we went to Circus. So, I guess we're just gonna combine today's vlog with tomorrow's. Day 1 of the Masters. A squad, waking up early. We'll see you then. What are we standing in line for?
I believe we are getting our temperature checked yet again to enter the National Bowling Stadium. I believe this will be a daily routine. We just happen to be earlier than the people checking us in.
It's weird we're early.
It is weird.
Actually, we're fairly punctual.
We actually went out of our way to not be as early as well.
It's true.
So, good for us.
Mikey won't help me pick my bowling balls.
I don't even know how to pick my own ball.
That's a good bowler. If I do throw a reactive ball, this one might be good. Anyways, so how the Masters is gonna work is we bowl 5 games every block, bowl on the fresh. Our first 2 pairs are on fresh. Our next 2 games are basically on 1 game of transition. And our last game is on 2 games of transition. So, we're not gonna see a lot of transition. So, that probably means urethane balls. I do believe these are gonna be the MVPs of the tournament. Especially this one, and this one. What are ball reps? My arm's tired. Yeah, don't do this at home. I promise you, if you do this for a league, you're not gonna be liked very much.
Up 4, right? Up 3, please.
I was gonna play 20s.
Oh, that's fine too. Still play 10.
Don't worry, I'll make them nice for you.
I don't believe you. I don't believe you.
Wow, they were hard. Not easy. Not easy. Need more surface points, I think, at the beginning. We all had 150-ish games. Not good. They're 30 under. I'm 70 under. Not good. A lot of splits.
Is a decent score.
Not a lot of doubles.
Say,
Yeah,
score.
that's probably going to be about 10 out of the number.
Yeah, we're probably going to be in the
Maybe
80s,
maybe pretty
70s.
close.
I'm only like
I'm not
more
even
upset with
mad.
my 30 under because I was trapped below.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was 15 over after 2, and I managed to get to 74 under. So it's going to be a struggle.
Yeah.
But I think we have a good idea of what we need to do.
I mean, realistically, if all 3 of us don't shoot 140 game 5 or game 3,
We're doing okay.
We're cash.
Yeah.
Big cash.
Yeah. All right.
Definitely managing the bad games is going to be very, very crucial. And 150, not very good at managing.
No.
We can make those 170, 180, because like 170, they're just going to happen. So
We're gonna get some lunch. Don't know what we're gonna do for the rest of the day, but we're gonna go get some lunch. Chris Prather. Hello. Where are we going?
We're going to go take some pictures for Storm.
I actually forgot about that. I was like, oh, we're gonna go have lunch. Wait, we gotta take these pictures.
Picture time and then lunch.
Nice.
Then lunch.
Nice. This is a happy Prather for now. Hopefully you're still happy after day 1.
Yeah, I mean, even if I bowl bad, I'm only going to be mad for like 20 or 30 minutes, and then it'll be good.
Yeah, I don't think we've hit that 20 to 30 minute window yet.
Yeah,
we still got a couple more minutes to go.
It'll be about 4:30 this afternoon, depending on how many times I get 6. Hopefully it's 6 or more, not 6 or less.
I mean, if there's 6 together, that's better than 2
yeah,
and 2.
you know, buckets are great, but
yeah.
big 4s not so much. So.
The big 4 was definitely more popular than the bucket, though. I hate to say it.
All right, good to know. Good to know.
Harry, hi. What are we doing today?
We're doing a media shoot. This is big time. Big. I don't know. It's okay.
Okay.
We're doing, media stuff.
Yeah, I don't think it's good that the A squad bowlers are coming in now.
No, we're sad about that.
Yeah.
Actually, Blair and I are a little scared because we heard they were a little tricky.
Well, yeah, a little is an understatement. Yeah.
A little tricky.
A little bit.
It's not bad.
All right, well.
All right, but thanks for checking in with us.
Yeah. Anything for you, Harry.
Darren having issues. Always.
Come on,
Darren.
Blair.
Always having issues. Okay, ready?
Yeah. All right, yo, pictures are all done. Storm's got something exciting coming out for you guys, so stay tuned. I think it's gonna be pretty cool. I'm sorry I can't leak anything, but I think you're gonna be pretty excited for it. What are you having for lunch, son?
Steak and potatoes?
Steak and potato! What?
The salmon.
I got invited by Superstar.
The salmon, the last one.
Does Diana have better hair than me?
Oh, the
Certainly.
Let me
By a
know.
mile.
Let me know in the comments.
It's
I
not
would have to
close.
vote yes as well.
Actually, yeah, this one.
Definitely zooming in on that. Definitely zooming in on that as well. Out of 10.
I don't know what it is.
You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down. You're the best around. Nothing's gonna ever keep you down.
What's the best thing to do after sushi?
Take a shit.
Oh, the second best thing.
Get boba.
Get boba. We get the boba.
Everything come out okay?
No restrooms available due to COVID-19.
Yeah.
My bladder has to suffer because of COVID. Well, we're gonna wrap up the vlog here, but before we do that, I think tomorrow, shape up our game plan is a little bit different. I'm thinking more surface on the urethane balls for myself. Don't know about them. I'd like to throw out the whole block if possible, but we'll see. Don't know. Tomorrow's a new day. We don't bowl until the night squad, so
Forever from now.
we'll be kicking it in Reno until then. So, yeah. Tomorrow, we'll be all right. We'll be all right. Until then.